Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Today is going to be the Ipsy Unbagging. This is a $10 a month subscription that you get every month. They do have the upgrade available now, which I started to get this month, which is $25, and you can choose to get this one and that one, or just that one, or just this one, but you have to be an Ipsy member to receive it. So, very excited about this bag. It did take a little while to get here. It is now the middle of the month. Normally, it comes about the second week of the month. And Ipsy now has an add-on thing where you can add on stuff for $3 or like $15. And it's on the second of every month that you have to go onto the website or app and order that. I did get an add-on. I don't remember what it is, of course, but let's get into it. So, I do know that it is a lemon bag, which is right here. Very cute. It's a little, the little Ipsy is written on the thing, yellow. Here's my add-on. Oh yeah, that's right. I got the Balm lipstick, and it is in, does it say? Oh, it's a stain, creamy lip stain. And it doesn't tell me the name. The Balm Drawer doesn't tell me the name. Okay. So, I think it did when I ordered it, but definitely my color. Beautiful. And I wanted to try the Balm's lip stains. I've never tried them, so that's a bonus. Today, the blue is the first time I've ever done blue, inspired by the Jeffree Star palette, and of course the trend that's going on right now. I don't know that I like it that much. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. All right, so first thing in the real bag is some masks. And I think this might be the first time that I've ever received masks from Ipsy. I normally don't. So this is a treat. I do love masks. I use them. I like them better than peel-offs. And these are two of them. All right, broccoli plumping mask. Solution for signs of aging, tired skin, and lack of vitality. And then red fruits brightening mask for uneven skin tone, dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. So give those a shot. Definitely probably use one of them tonight. It's very hot in here. All right, so getting into the bag. All right, so the card says, now in season, fresh spring beauty. And it says on the back, build your dream bag. Get any glam bag product you want every month on the 2nd, starting at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You'll have a chance to add on whatever deluxe samples or full-size products you like. Mark your calendar and create the ultimate beauty stash. And that's what I was just talking about. I am so hot. All right. And on the inside, it tells you about your products. So, let's see. Is the masks in there? Yeah. So it says Hung Jisoo. Not even going to try. This set has not one, but 2 superfood infused masks you'll love. The red fruits mask is made with, why do they have to have these words? Acerola and red love apple to brighten up and even out dull skin. And the broccoli mask is packed with vitamin C, beta carotene, and broccoli extracts to plump and hydrate. So that's that. All right, next thing is a brush. I don't knock getting brushes from Ipsy. I don't really use a fan brush, but maybe I'll give it a shot. And this is from Billion Dollar Brushes. Never heard of it. It's not going to focus to see it. And it says, this brand, known for high quality brow products, but their brush game is strong too. This baby's densely packed charcoal-infused bristles have antimicrobacterial powers to keep bacteria away while blending powder products effortlessly. Okay, a brush. We like it. All right, the next item. Maybe this is the blue that I didn't get in my palette. That would be so cool if it is. This is from that Moods palette that we received in the Ipsy Glam Plus. Maybe it's the blue. I almost got happy there. It is a green. I don't know if I have a green in my palette or not, but that is what it looks like, a green shimmer. And there is the swatch of it. It's very pretty. And this says, this Colombian makeup artist was NYX Face 2016 Beauty Vlogger of the Year. And her brand is all about bold color and self-expression. This creamy olive green with gold shimmer blends easily to get your creative urges free. Okay, so we'll give that a shot for sure. All right, the next thing that I'm pulling out, I'm trying to fan myself because I'm just so hot. Okay, so this is like, you get these in every, like seriously, I have one sitting right next to me from, that I keep in my, my pocket every day for work. So this is an Ico eyeliner called Black Magic. It is a little different than the other one that we normally get, which is this one, the skinny eyeliner. So this says, Ico Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner, Travel Size in Carbon Black. Looking for a new liner to love? Ico and their A+ waterproof liner dries ASAP and won't fade, smudge, or budge, so no worries about having to reapply. With its tapered precision tip, the look you can create with are limitless. Go thin with your flick or lay it on thick. So I'm not going to open this because I have so many of these. I'll just save it for, I mean, I will use it, but I'll save it for later. All right, and it looks like there is one more thing in this bag, and I have not even heard of this before, and this is Tarte Base Tape. So this is kind of really cool. Hydrating primer. Okay. So Tarte Double Duty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This brand new primer is loaded with jojoba and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. Plus it helps your makeup look better and last longer. And like all of Tarte's fabulous formulas, this one is vegan and cruelty free. So let's see how it feels. I'm excited about this one. This is like probably the best thing out of the box, that and that lipstick. Oh, it is really, really, it smells good too. You definitely smell the coconut. It is very, liquidy and hydrating. I don't know what I can compare this to because I don't have a primer that feels like that. I usually use a silicone primer, so that's definitely a whole different game for me. So let's recap on the Ipsy bag. So I have the masks, the two masks, the brush, the eyeliner, the Moods eyeshadow, the Tarte stuff, and my add-on from the Balm. So what do you think? What do you guys think of this bag? I enjoy getting Ipsy a lot. I will not cancel it because of getting the Ipsy Glam Plus, because I enjoy getting these sample sizes. So if you guys want to subscribe, if you guys want to get the bag, you just have to go to ipsy.com and sign up. I've not learned how to put links behind my videos or any of that stuff yet, so you would have to go on your own and do that. But anyway, I wanted to add that we are now at 98 subscribers, and I am doing a 100 subscriber giveaway. So once that goes, and it probably will be tomorrow, I will have a video posted with the items that I will be giving away. And most of them are my favorite items that I use pretty much all the time. However, I am still going to go pick up a palette. I have not done that yet. I'm not sure which palette I'm going to get, so I do need to do that either today or tomorrow so that I have a palette for the bag, or the box. Well, it's actually a box. So keep posted on that, and I will definitely be probably posting that video tomorrow or the next day. So anyway, with that said, you will have to be subscribed and you will have to like the video that I post. So if you want to do it now, go ahead and do it now. If not, I will see you in that video, and have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.